So I've reviewed as many QCY products as I can to give you an idea of which earbuds would suit your needs the best. And they have been launching so many earbuds lately that sometimes it's really hard to keep track. But today we're taking a look at the latest offering from QCY, and this time it comes in the form of an ANC Earbuds, right after the QCY HT01. So let's see if they're any good. Welcome to a review of the QCY HT03. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the QCY HT03. So today's earbuds were sent over to me by QCY for review, and I'm really excited to be able to share these new earbuds with you so early. So these earbuds retails for a very affordable 120 Malaysia ringgit, and that's about USD 30. So for an ANC earbuds, this is within the super budget range. So if you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below. So the design of the case is really nice with a sparkling black paint that shimmers when you put them under any light source. So if you can see here, they look really nice, like a galaxy kind of look. And this is nice because you're not getting another boring black case from QCY. So there's really no design all around the earbuds, and you can see they are pretty bare bone in terms of design, and only at the top right here you get the new QCY logo there, which is not all that glaring at all, and in this case it's really quite a good thing. So in the back of the case, you're going to get a button so that you can check the battery percentage of the case, and there's only two colors. So if you press it, green means that you have more than 50% battery and red means you have less than 50%. So plugging the earbuds into the Type-C port at the bottom here, and the same LED will light up to indicate that the case is charging. So the lid opens up nice and smoothly here, but the hinge doesn't really hold the lid up on its own, so if you let go it will slam shut. It would be really good if QCY would add in a nicer hinge or friction lid to hold that lid up in place better. So the earbuds inside also have a very similar shape to the Buds Air 2, but have a longer AirPods Pro style ear tips that fit really nicely inside the ears. And you're also going to get the sparkly black paint all over the earbuds, but not as much as the case. And it kind of looks like they ran out of the sparkly bits when it came to painting the earbuds. So the only design here is the silver ring at the bottom of the stem here, a microphone at the top of the stem, and that's pretty much the design of the earbuds. So there's also no in-ear sensor here, no fancy features whatsoever, just simple in-ear style ear tips. And the earbuds here also uses a touch sensor at the stem to mimic the squeeze action found in the AirPods Pro. So that's one unique point for these earbuds. With ANC on, the earbuds gives you about 5 hours of battery life and 15 additional hours with the case. Not fantastic battery life by today's standard, but pretty okay to get you through your day. And without ANC, you get about 6 hours and 18 hours with the case. No quick charging here as well, unlike the T11 or T13 series, and it'll take around 1.5 hours to fully charge. The HT03 has pretty mediocre features and comes with a 5.1 chipset with AAC and SBC audio codec. No Qualcomm chipset here, and so you don't get aptX here, unlike the T11S. The earbuds get an IPX4 water resistant, normal for an ANC earbuds, meaning you're going to get sweat resistant and splash resistant, but please don't use this under the rain or getting them soaking wet. The earbuds also get super seamless mono and stereo mode, so you're going to be able to use either side independently, and that's a very good feature for most budget earbuds today. Lastly, there are no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. So QCY has a pretty standard set of features inside all of their apps, and it's very standardized across all of their earbuds. So inside the app here, the first thing you can see is the earbuds connected. In this case, it's not color coded because I have a black one and it's showing white here. But moving down, you're going to get your earbuds battery life for the left and right, as well as a control remapping. And there are quite a lot of things that you can remap these earbuds with. So if you see the gray ones, those are the default ones. And if you want to make changes to it. For example, if I want to change my triple tap to skip backwards, I can click on it and it will make that remapping to my earbuds itself. So this is basically what I usually run, which is really cool. So inside the ANC portion, there are a couple of things that you can do. So with this, you can see the first one is ANC, the second one is transparency, and the third one would be outdoor mode, which is ANC off. The weird thing about this is that when you're in ANC mode, you can't really go into the equalizer, so it's blocked. And if you want to go into the equalizer, you have to turn off the ANC. Then you can select the different types of EQs that you like. And you can also go into customization and you can drag the EQ bars as per usual. So that's the new EQ integration that QCY have going on. Below that, you can also toggle gaming mode. Below that, you can also have your firmware updated if there's a new firmware. And that's basically all of the controls you get with the HT03 app. So comparing the HT03 to the Buds Air 2, I noticed two areas that the QCY did better than the Realme, and that's wind noise as well as the cabin noise test. With most low frequency hums, the earbuds does a very good job cutting out those noises, meaning fan noise, road noise, most of these get cut off very effectively. With high-pitched chatters, it also does an okay job lowering the noise level, and at normal conversation volume, you mostly can still make out what others are saying, but you really need to focus in. With the cabin noise test, you can still hear some of that cabin noise leak through, but it's significantly lowered, and with music you can knock out most of the noise. And incidentally, these earbuds do perform better than the Realme Buds Air 2. Pass-through mode is also really good with this, and it gives you a loud pass-through of the ambient noise, giving you slight superhuman hearing ability with these earbuds. And with that, I'm going to give these earbuds a 7.5 out of 10 for these earbuds, where the Realme Buds Air 2 gets about 7 out of 10. So sound signature on the HT03 is pretty good with the typical QCY performance here. So whatever I test here is mostly using the flat EQ, and these earbuds do sound very powerful, especially when played at louder volumes, with very good emphasis on bass. These earbuds really do rumble even at that flat EQ. The highs on these earbuds are not muffled, but they are not as bright as well. And I can feel that the highs is not something that these earbuds focuses on. Tuning it with the EQ controls definitely could add some emphasis on those highs, which is really nice. Using the EQ controls, you can bump up the emphasis on the high ends and definitely will help a lot with these earbuds. Mids on these are also very nice with very good emphasis on vocals without sounding distant or far or jumble up with other frequencies. So overall, I'm going to say this is a solid performance again from QCY. So this is a test to see if the QCY HT03 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So although these earbuds only run Bluetooth 5.1, the gaming mode does add a nice touch of controlling the latency. When you slow the clip down, you're still gonna see some delay, some latency, but in real time, it's not really that noticeable. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So I guess QCY is already very solid with their sound signature. Tuning is also good out of the box. ANC is not too bad and on par to many ANC earbuds that are even more expensive than this. So for this super budget price point, I'm definitely gonna recommend the HT03. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.